It's Queen Naturally Cookie coming to you with another DIY video. Today I'll be showing you how I make my avocado and coconut milk deep conditioner. Let's get into this video.
W-W-B-O-N. And all the friends, let's go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos, overweight we go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos, yeah.
So the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe is your avocado, coconut milk, raw honey, vegetable glycerin, aloe vera powder, slippery elm powder, and bentonite clay. I'm going to start off with my container of avocado that's already chopped up. The fresh avocados that they had that have the seed in it, they were all hard, so I saw this container and it said it was equivalent to 1 avocado, so I decided to go ahead and go with that. Next, I want to place 1 tablespoon of raw honey. And I'm going to place that in my blender with my avocado. I'm going to follow that with 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of slippery elm. That's going to give you that slip you need to help with detangling. I'm going to follow that with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera powder. It's going to also aid and help with that slip. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. And that's just to help to define my curls. And I'm going to add 1 whole can of coconut milk. Make sure you shake your can before opening it. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum to help thicken up my conditioner. That is optional. You don't have to add that. I just decided at the last minute to go ahead and add the 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum before blending. Next, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil and sunflower oil. 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add that into my mix. You can use whatever oil that you have on hand, but that was my oil of choice. I only had a little bit left in my container, so I'm trying to get rid of what I have left in it. It's a combo oil, so there's sunflower and extra virgin olive oil is in 1 container. And I also decided to go ahead and add in some essential oil, which is peppermint oil. Now I think I'm ready to blend. Y'all know your girl is extra, so I always be doing the most, so it can be at the last minute I decide to add some stuff to it. So this is the texture that I was going for, nice and creamy. It is just to my liking. By me having low porosity hair, this will take good in my hair. Next, I'm going to take my silicone molds. I've already have my black African soap in my other molds that you see in the other 4 there. I'm going to fill up the remaining spots with the leftover deep conditioner that I just made. And I'm going to freeze those and then place it in a Ziploc bag for later use. That way I can pull out only how many bars I need for whatever process that I'm doing. For my length of hair and thickness, I need about 3 bars. And you can store this in the deep freezer in a Ziploc bag for up to 3 months. So if you make too much product of your DIY, you can always buy some silicone molds, and they can be found on Amazon, and save what you have left over. Do not waste it and throw it away, so you'll have it for next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed my quick and simple video. I'm going to show you how the molds look when they come out of the freezer. I'm going to let these sit overnight. So after letting them sit for 24 hours, this is how my bars are looking. I have nice, pretty rectangle bars. And like I said, you can leave these in a Ziploc bag in your freezer for up to 3 months. Only take out what you need, depending on how thick and long your hair is. I have about armpit length hair, and my hair is very thick, so I use about 3 bars. And that's pushing it. I can use about 3.5, but 4 bars would be too much. So 3 bars is about what I need for my hair. And there you have it. So you made it to the end of another one of my videos. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and let me know that you like this content. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting on? Go on ahead and subscribe. Share this video with your family and friends. Encourage them to subscribe as well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Until next time, this is Naturally Cookie. Everyone stay blessed.